Hi, my dear children. How are you all, children? Yes, super. I hope that you're all fine and doing good. Is it? Children, tell me, are you all taking all the safety measures? Yes, be safe, okay, children, and be a good child and healthy child. Okay, for that you have to do your work properly. Children, please watch all the videos regularly and please try to complete your work. Okay, please complete your classwork as well as slip test on time. Okay, children, very good. Now are you all active? Are you all ready for today's class? Super, children. Now we are going to learn mathematics subject. Okay, children, tell me, do you remember what we have learnt in the previous class? Yes, correct. We have learnt lesson 9. No, yes, that is numbers up to 100. In that, what we have learnt? What are the topics we have learnt? Yes, we have learnt how to represent numbers on abacus and number names from 51 to 100 and comparing of numbers and ordering of numbers. Are you all clear with that? I hope that, children, please take enough practice for writing number names and representing numbers on abacus and how to compare and ordering of numbers. Okay, children, now we are going to learn lesson 10, that is addition and subtraction up to 100. Children, I hope that you all remember that we have already learned addition and subtraction up to 20 and up to 50. Children, tell me, in which lessons we have learnt these things? Super. In lesson 2 we have learnt addition and subtraction up to 20. In lesson 5 up to 50. Do you all remember the methods for addition and subtraction? Super, children. Let us recall. Okay. Now we are going to do a interesting game. Yes. Are you all ready? Clap, children. Clap your hands. Be active. Okay. Cheer up. Be ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3. See this game? Yes, this is crossword puzzle. We are going to solve this puzzle using the given directions and given clues. Okay, we have 2 clues, across box and down box. Are you all ready? See this box. There are some addition and subtraction sums. Can you see this? Yes. By solving this, we have to solve this crossword puzzle. Are you ready? See the direction of one, it is across. See this across box, first one, what is the sum? 30 plus 9. Yes, to fill this, we have to solve this addition sum, 30 plus 9. Children, tell me, which method can we use for addition? Yes, super, we can use forward counting method. What we have to do now? Yes, we have to keep number 30 in mind and take 9 fingers in your hand. Okay, take 9 fingers in your hand and count forward. Where can we start? We have to start from 31. Okay, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Where do we reach? Yes, the answer is 39. 3, 9. Okay, like this you have to solve this crossword puzzle. Next, after 1, 2. See here, see the direction? Downward. Yes, we have to move to the downward box. Okay. See the question. What is this? 39 minus 4. That means we have to subtract. Children, tell me, which method can be used for subtraction? Yes, super, children, claps for you. We can use backward counting for subtraction. Now tell, what is the step? Yes, we have to take 4 fingers in our hand. We have to count backward. Where do we start? Yes, we have to start from 38 because the number before 39 is 38. Start counting backward. 38, 37, 36 and 35. Where do we reach? Yes, the answer is 35. The number 3 is already written. No, only write number 5. Okay. 35. 39 minus 4, 35. Are you following? Yes, super. Next, see this number 3. See the direction, it is across. Yes, we have to see across clue. Okay, 3. What is the question? 19 minus 7. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to do backward counting to find the answer. Take 7 fingers in your hand. Where do we start? We have to start from 18 and count backward. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13 and 12. Where do we reach? We reached number 12. Right here. Yes, the answer is 12. What is the next one? 4. See the direction? It is downward. No, downward. See the downward box. What is the sum now? 11 plus 9. Plus means what, children? We have to add the given two numbers. Okay. Which method can be used? Forward counting. Okay. Take 9 fingers in your hand. Count forward. Okay. After 11, what's the number? 12. Start from 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Where do we reach? We reach the number 20. See here, we have to write in the downward direction. 2. Number 2 is already written. No. Only write the number 0. 20. Children, are you all following? Yes. What's the next question? Number 5. See the direction, how it is? It is crossword. We have to see the crossword clue. Okay. See the question. 21 plus 3. That means we have to add 21 and 3. Shall we use forward counting? Yes. Take 3 fingers in your hand. Okay. Start counting forward. Where do we start? We have to start 21. Keep number 21 in your mind. Start from 22. 22, 23, 24. What's the answer? Yes, 24. Right here. Okay. The direction is across. No, we have to write like this. Next, see the number 6. How the direction is? Yes, the direction is downward. Move to the downward clue. What is the question in 6th number? 42 plus 6. That means we have to add 42 and 6. Okay. Keep number 42 in your mind. Take 6 fingers in your hand. Now where do we start? We have to start from 43. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. Where do we reach? We reach 48. No, the number 4 is already written. We have to write only number 8. 48. Children, are you all here? Yes. Did you enjoy this activity? I hope that, children. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. Children, listen here. Are you all ready? Yes. Super. Now we are going to recall addition. Children, tell me till now what we learnt. We learnt and we are thorough with addition. That is adding 1-digit number with 2-digit number. Is it? Are you all clear with that? Now we are going to recall adding a 1-digit number with 2-digit number. Okay. For example, we are going to add number 23 and 5. Children, tell me in this sum which is 2-digit and which is 1-digit, children? Yes, super. 23 is a 2-digit number. No, 5 is a 1-digit number. Shall we see the steps? Do you remember the steps? Let me tell. Okay. First, we have to write the numbers in columns. Yes, we have to write the given numbers in correct columns. How many columns we have, children, for this sum? Yes, we have 2 columns. What are the columns? Ones and tens. See here, we have to write the ones in correct column, ones place, and we have to write the tens in tens column. Like this, you have to write the given numbers in correct column. This is the first step. Okay, children. Next, what is the next step? Do you remember? Super. First, we have to add the ones. Tell me, what are the numbers in ones place? Yes, 3 and 5. See, there are 2 numbers in ones place. No, 3 and 5. We have to add 3 and 5. For that, which method can we use? Yes, super, children, you are correct. We can use forward counting to add 3 and 5. Keep number 3 in your mind and take 5 fingers in your hand. Okay. Now start counting forward. Where do we start? We can start from number 4. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7,
8. Where do we reach? We reach the number 8. That means the answer is 8. What is the third step, children? Do you remember that? Super, children. Next we have to add the tens. We have to add the numbers in tens place. See here, there is nothing below 2. There is only one number in tens place. No, that means here 0. 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, what the answer? Again we get 2 as answer, or easily directly we can bring the number 2 down. Okay children, in this case we can directly bring down the number 2. Okay, now tell me what is the answer? We get the answer 28 by adding 23 and 5. Are you clear with that? Super. Now we are going to learn how to add 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. Till now what we learnt and clear with? How to add 1 digit with 2-digit number. Now we are going to add 2-digit number with the 2-digit number. Are you all ready? Super. The steps are same. Don't have any doubt. Okay, the steps are same. Now for example we are going to add 27 and 11. Okay, both are 2-digit. See here, what is the first step? Yes, as usual we have to write the given numbers in columns. Okay, ones column and tens column. Write the numbers in ones place in ones column. Write the numbers in tens place in tens column. Okay, this is the first step. What is the next step? Yes, add ones first. Okay, we have to add ones first. What are the numbers in ones place? 7 and 1. What method can be used? Forward counting. Like this you have to recall in your mind. Step by step you have to recall in your mind and do. Okay, slowly you can do. Okay children, don't have any problem. Okay, keep the number 7 in your mind. Take one finger. Count forward. After 7 what's the number? 8. That means the answer is 8. Okay, 7 plus 1, 8. What is the third step? Yes, next we have to add tens. What are the numbers in tens place, children? See, 2 and 1. Yes, now we are going to add 2 and 1. Okay, for that we have to keep number 2 in mind and take one finger. Okay, one finger in your hand. Now start counting forward. What's the number after 2? 3. What's the answer? 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Are you all clear with the steps? First we have to write the given numbers in correct column. Ones and tens. 2 columns we have. What is the step 2? Have to add numbers in ones place. Next we have to move on the numbers in tens place. Okay, we have to add numbers in tens place. That's it. Okay, only 3 simple steps. Now it's your turn, children. Now you are going to tell the steps and do the sum. What is the sum? Now you are going to add 2 digits. See, 55 is a 2 digit and 34 is also a 2 digit number. Okay, what is the first step? Super, correct. We have to write the given numbers in columns. How many columns we have for this problem? 2 columns, ones and tens. Okay, like this you have to write 55, 34. These are ones, these are tens. Okay, are you all clear? Next what we have to do? Yes, step 2 is we have to add numbers in ones place. What are the numbers in ones place, children? See, 5 and 4. Okay, you have to add number 5 and number 4. For that we use forward counting. No, keep number 5 in your mind. Take 4 fingers as usual. Do. Start forward counting. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is 9. We get 9 by adding 5 and 4. What is the third step, children? Yes, we have to move to the numbers in tens place. Now we have to add numbers in tens place. That is the last step. No. Now tell me the answer. 5 plus 3? 8. Yes, you can use forward counting. Keep number 5 in your mind. Take 3 fingers in your hand. Okay, start counting. What's the number after 5? 6, 7, 8. Okay, the answer is 89. See here, we are getting 89 by adding 55 and 34. Children, now tell me, are you all clear with the steps for addition? Are you all clear with adding 1 digit with 2 digit and 2 digit with 2 digit? Yes children, the first step is you have to write the given numbers in correct column. Next you have to add ones. Third step you have to add tens. Okay children, super. Now we are going to do subtraction. Yes, till now what we have learnt and thorough with subtracting a 1 digit with 2 digit. Is it children? Let us recall it with one example. Okay. Now we are going to subtract number 55 and 58 and 5. Okay. In this, which is 2 digit and which is 1 digit? Can you tell me? Yes. In this problem, 58 is a 2 digit. 5 is a 1 digit number. No. Yes. We are going to subtract 5 from 58. As usual children, the steps are same. Okay. The first step, you have to write the numbers in correct column. Ones column and tens column like this. Okay. The next step, yes, first you have to see the numbers in ones place. This is subtraction. No, you have to subtract the numbers in ones place. What are the numbers? 8 and 5. Subtract 5 from 8. Okay, which method can be used for subtraction children? Yes, usually we use backward method. No, yes. Take 5 fingers in your hand. Start counting backward. What is the number before 8? 7. 7. Count and tell me the answer children. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Where do we reach? We reach the number 3. That means answer is 3. Okay, very good. What's the next step? Yes, super. Next we have to move to the numbers in tens place. Yes, we are going to see the numbers in tens place. How many numbers in tens place? There is only one number. Here is nothing. No, that means 0. 5 minus 0. What is the answer? Again we getting the answer 5. No, or else we can directly bring this 5 down. Okay children, what is the answer now? We got the answer 53. Yes, we are subtracting 5 from 58. We got the answer 53. Are you all clear? Yes children, the steps are same. Okay, do with passion. Okay, then only you can understood it with easily. Now we are going to subtract what? 2 digit number from a 2 digit number. Okay, till now we are thorough with how to subtract a 1 digit with 2 digit. No, now we are going to subtract 2 digit with the 2 digit. Are you all ready? Yes. See, for example, we are going to subtract 43 with 69. Okay, here 69 and 43 are 2 digit. Okay. What is the first step? Yes, as usual, we have to write the given numbers in correct columns, tens column and ones column. Okay, like this you have to finish the first step. What is the next step? Yes children, correct. You have to see the numbers in ones place. This is subtraction. No, now we are doing subtraction. You have to subtract numbers in ones place. Now we are going to do what? We are going to subtract 3 from 9. What is the answer? Tell me the answer by backward counting. Yes, 60 is the answer. Take 3 fingers, start backward counting. 8, 7, 6. Okay, we subtract and got the answer. What is the third step? Yes, we have to see the numbers in tens column. No, what are the numbers? 6 and 4. Now we are going to subtract 4 from 6 by backward counting. Take 4 numbers in your hand. What is before number 6? 5. 5, 4, 3, 2. What is the answer now? 2 is the answer. Okay. Now we are getting the answer 26 by subtracting 43 from 69. Okay children. The steps are the same children. Now it's your turn. You are going to subtract. Okay children. Try. Okay. What is the given question? In this question you are going to subtract 38 from 68. What is the first step? Super. We have to write the given numbers in correct column. Ones and tens column. What is the step 2? Yes, we have to subtract numbers in ones column. What are the numbers in ones column? 8, 8. Okay, we have to subtract number 8 from number 8. Okay, take 8 fingers in your hand. Now start backward counting. Okay, what is the number? Yes, super. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What is the answer now? 0. If we subtract 8 from 8, we got the answer 0. Okay. What is the third step? Yes, we have to move to numbers in tens place. Now we are going to subtract numbers in tens place. No, 3 from 6. As usual, tell me the answer by backward counting. Correct. 3 is the answer. No. Very good. What is the answer? We are getting answer 30 by subtracting 38 from 68. Children, are you all clear? With both addition and subtraction, the steps are same, children. First you have to write the given number in columns. If it is addition or subtraction, the steps are same. Next you have to see the ones. Third step, finally you have to see the digits in tens place. Okay, is it clear? Yes, super. Now we are going to do an interesting activity. Now I am going to check you. Are you clear with addition and subtraction? Are you all ready? Come on. State whether true or false. Children, statement is given to you. You have to check whether it is true or false. Are you ready? Look it. 23 plus 6 is 30. Is it true, children? Shall we check? Yes. Write the given numbers in column and add. They give plus symbol. No, that means add. You have to add. 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 0, 29. The answer is, the real answer is 29. But they given us 30. Then the given statement is true or false? Yes, the given statement is false. Because the real answer is what? 29. Okay. Second one. See. 20 minus 20 is 20. Minus means what we have to do? Subtract. Let me check. Okay. Yes. 0 minus 0? 0. If we subtract 2 from 2, what we have? Take 2 fingers and subtract. 1, 0. What the answer? 0. Okay. What is the real answer, children? 0. But they given us 20. Is it true or false? False. Again, the statement is also false. Are you all clear? Yes. The third one. See, read carefully. 1 more than 56 is 58. 1 more than 56 is 58. That means 1 more than means we have to add 1 to the number 56. Okay, children, we have to add number 1 to 56. Are you all ready to check the answer? Yes. 1 plus 6, what is the answer? 7. 5, here is nothing, that means 0. No. 5 plus 0? 5. What is the real answer, children? 57. But they given us 58. Is it true or not? No, it is, the given statement is false. No. Very good. Super. Next, fourth one. See here. 10 more than 80 is 90. 10 more than 80 means we have to add 10 and 80. Let us check. Okay. 0 plus 0. The answer is 0. No. Let's move to the digits in tens place. 8 plus 1, 9. What is the real answer? 9, 90. The given answer also 90. Then the given statement is true or not? Yes, it is true. 10 more than 80 is 90. It is true. Very good. Children, did you all enjoy this activity? I hope that. Now we are going to see addition and subtraction stories. Are you ready? Do you all like stories? Children, do you remember we have already learnt addition and subtraction stories in lesson 2 and 5. Okay, now we are going to recall with some stories. Okay, children, you have to read the story carefully and you have to understood it carefully and you have to decide whether you have to add or subtract. These are the steps. Okay, let us see some clue words. Okay. See here, children, the word total, all together, sum, plus, more, in all. These 6 words all means we have to do addition. If you have you seen any one of these words in your story, that means you have to add the given numbers. Okay children, very good. These are some clues. Okay, let us see first story. In a class of 48 students, 23 are girls. How many boys are there? Do you understand? Let us read once again. Okay, in a class of 48 students, 23 are girls. How many boys are there? The question is, total number of students is 48. In that, only 23 are girls. We have to find the number of boys. We have to do addition or subtraction. What we have to do? Yes, super. We have to subtract the given numbers to find the number of boys. Are you understood children? Yes, as usual we have to write the given numbers in column. Why we are putting minus? We are going to do subtraction. Okay, first we have to subtract digits in ones place. No, subtract 3 from 8. Take 3 fingers in your hand. Do backward counting. 7, 6, 5. What is the answer? 5. Okay. Next move on to the digits in tens place. Now we are going to subtract 2 from 4. Okay, 2 from 4. Take 2 fingers in your hand. Do backward counting. 3, 2. What is the answer? 2 is the answer. What is the answer children? Yes, there are 25 boys in the class. Okay, total number of students are 48. Girls are 23. We have to find the number of boys. Okay, for that what we are doing? We have to subtract the given numbers. Okay children, is it clear? Next story. Let us see next story. There are 21 cream biscuits on one plate and 18 chocolate biscuits on the other plate. How many biscuits are on the 2 plates? Okay, in one plate 21 cream biscuit, other plate 18 chocolate. We have to find total number of biscuits. Do you like to eat biscuit? Very good. I too like children. Total number means, again already I gave you a clue. Total means what we have to do? Addition. Okay, to find total number we have to add 2 given numbers. Okay, write it in column. What is the next step? See digits in ones place and add. Okay, 1 plus 8, 9. Keep number 8 in your mind. 1, take 1 finger in your hand. What is the number after 8? 9. Okay, that is the answer. Now move the digits in tens place. See 2 and 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, what is the answer? There are a total of 39 biscuits on the plates. Okay, in one plate 21, other plate 18. We have to add both to find the number of biscuits in both the plates. Okay children, next story. Neha picked 53 and Komala picked 46 strawberries. Okay, one girl picked 53 and next girl picked 46 strawberries. Let us see what is the question. How many strawberries did they pick in all? See the clue word? In all. It means we have to add the given 2 numbers. Is it clear children? Are you all following? Yes, be active. Clap your hands once children. Clap your hands. Okay, keep smile. Okay, be active. 2 girls are picked. One girl is picked 53 and Komala picked 46. We have to find total. In all means the clue word. We have to add given 2 number. As usual we have to write the given 2 numbers in columns. No. Next we have to add first numbers in ones place. 3 plus 6. Keep 6 in your mind. Take 3 fingers. Start forward counting. 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? 9. Very good. Next we have to add numbers in tens place. Keep number 5 in your mind. Take 4 fingers. Start forward counting. 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? Nayan. Very good. What is the total answer? Nega and Komala both picked how many? 99 strawberries. Very good children. Super. One more story is for you. 37 plates were stacked on the table. Okay. 37 plates were stacked on table. Only 15 plates were used. Let us see the question now. How many plates were not used, children? See the clue word. Not used means it is negative sentence. Okay. In this case, you have to subtract the given two numbers. Totally we have 37. From that we took 15 and used. We have to find the remaining. Okay. For that what we have to do? We have to subtract these two. Okay. As usual, what is the first step? We have to write the given number in column. Why we put minus? We are going to subtract. Okay. Please be clear with the steps. Okay. Read the questions patiently. Okay. Next we have to subtract digits in ones place. No. Subtract 5 from 7 gives 2. Use backward. Next subtract numbers in tens. Subtract 1 from 3. Okay. 1. What is the before number? 3? 2. The answer is 2. That means 22 plates were not used. Okay children. Very good. Children, tell me, are you all clear with the story problems? Yes children. Please read the given story and try to understood carefully. Okay. Read once or twice time. Okay children. Very good. Now we are going to see an interesting activity. Are you all ready? Yes. Try to answer. Okay. See, it's a colorful activity. In this, we have to consider this flower as tens. Okay. The star as ones. Now you are going to add this and this. 1, 2, 2 tens and ones. 1 tens and 2 ones. Are you all understood? Here flower is a tens. Star is a ones. How many tens? 2 tens, 1 1. Here 1 10, 2 ones. Now tell me what is this number? What is this number? 2 10 means 21. 1 10 means 12. 1 and 2, 12. Now we found the numbers. Now add and tell me the answer. What is the answer by adding 21 and 12? Super. The answer is 33. Very good. Did you enjoy this activity? I hope that children. Now I am going to tell you some follow-up activity. Children, please do your homework and classwork and slip test on time. There are more and more practical sums in your book back exercise. Please do your book back exercise in your leisure time. Okay. Take care of your health. We will meet in the next class. Bye children.